We had a crank.
Hold it in.
The starter motor did try to crank the engine, but it was almost like it was seized. Before this video, we rang Rolls-Royce, and he said if there's any problem with the engine, this car is a write-off. The engines are so expensive. I could have swear on the auction listing it said runs.
I'm sure that
It says starts.
starts, yeah.
It says starts. My next step was to get the code reader out to see if there was any fault codes on there. We're in. See what faults we got. Once I plugged into it, I could then talk to the car and see what the problems were. And I could see a low battery voltage. We've got 12 volts, which if it was anything like the McLaren, it needed like 13 to start.